Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. So in here, I'm going to show you how you can catch the traffic cone fish in Fish It Roblox. So the traffic cone fish is the ultimate meme catch in Fish It. And here I'm going to show you exactly where this orange anomaly is hiding and also the bait strategy and also the road that you need to use. So the traffic cone fish is a rare tire fish that you can get in the ocean in here, and it can be caught anytime in any weather. So you can just go fish in the ocean, for example in the warm hand location like this. And for the roads and bait, you can just use your best one. I'm using element road with singularity bait. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks.